In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your label size in Canva. Whether you're designing labels for products, gifts, or anything in between, setting the right dimensions is crucial. So let's dive in and walk through this process together, step by step. First, head over to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see the Create a Design button. Click on that. After doing so, you'll want to select Custom Size from the drop-down menu. This is an essential step because it allows us to input the specific dimensions for your label design. Next, you might notice that the default unit of measurement is set to pixels. Simply click on the unit selector, which is located right next to the dimension fields, and switch it from px to in. This change will ensure that your label dimensions are in inches, providing a more accurate measurement for physical printouts. Now moving on to the actual dimensions. For illustration purposes, let's say our label's width is going to be 5 inches. Go ahead and type 5 into the width field. As you do this, keep in mind that you can adjust the width according to your specific needs. Type 2 into the height field to set that parameter. Adjust the height based on your label requirements, but sticking with this example will give us a nice rectangular label to work with. Having set our dimensions, the next step is straightforward. Click on the Create New Design button. This action opens a new canvas tailored to the size we've just specified, ready for you to begin designing your label. If you already have a label design saved on your computer, you'll want to click Uploads from the side panel in Canva. Use this option to drag and drop your existing design right onto the canvas. Alternatively, if you're starting from scratch, type label into the search bar and browse through Canva's extensive library of templates. Select one that fits your purpose and style, then drag and drop it onto your workspace. Once your label template or uploaded design is on the canvas, it's time to personalize it. Double click on any text field to edit the text, changing fonts, colors, and sizes as needed to make your label uniquely yours. Canva offers a variety of text editing options, so feel free to explore these until you're satisfied with the result. And there you have it, a label perfectly sized and customized for whatever you need. Canva's interface makes this process intuitive and straightforward, so you can channel your creativity into your designs. With these steps, you'll have your label dimensions and design ready in no time. Thanks for watching and happy designing.